Okay, good morning, year two. How are you today? Today is another day, and today is Wednesday, 23 December 2020. And I am Miss Jasmine. Our lesson for today is writing. We're still in drafting, the second step of writing process, session 3. So remember the writing processes. The first one is pre-writing. The second one is drafting. The third one is revision. Number four, editing. The last step is publishing. Now we are still in drafting, the second step of writing process. Okay, and still our lesson or our topic is character description for fable. For fable. Remember the meaning of fable? A fable is a story that the characters are animals. Animals talk. At the end of the story, there is a moral lesson. Moral lesson, it means a good lesson that you will learn from the story. A good lesson that you will learn at the end of this story. So, character description. We describe our characters or our animal characters. Example, do you remember Spotty Cat? Yes. And these are our beginning sentences. Still, we are doing our beginning sentences by writing our character description. Beginning sentences by writing character descriptions. Again, our beginning sentences is to write our character description. Okay, this is character descriptions for our character animal characters. Example, long ago there was a sweet little cat who lived in a small room. The sweet little cat is called Spotty Cat. Spotty Cat is a female cat. She is sweet. She has many spots. So if you still remember, I used the beginning sentences that I used before. And then I added 3 more sentences. 3 more sentences. Spotty Cat is a female cat. Female cat. Female means a girl cat, but the right word that we use for our writing is female. Female. Then we added she is sweet. She has many spots. So I added 3 more sentences. The second example. Do you remember Hoppy Rabbit? Yes, this is the picture of my Hoppy Rabbit. I know you have also your own picture or drawing of your animal character. So you get it, and then you add 3 more sentences for your character description. We're still doing the beginning sentences by writing character descriptions for our story. My another example is once upon a time there was a brown small rabbit who lived in a tall tree. The brown small rabbit is called Hoppy Rabbit. Hoppy Rabbit is a male rabbit. He likes to hop. He is hopping with his friends all the time. So I still use my beginning sentences that I used before, and then I added three more sentences. Happy Rabbit is a male rabbit. He likes to hop. He is hopping with his friends all the time. Look at the word male. It means a boy, but the right word that we use for our writing, let us use male. Male. It means a boy. Okay? I know you can do your own three more sentences here too. I believe in you that you can do more sentences about character description as beginning sentences for our story. Thank you. Have a good day learning. It's your turn to do your three more sentences for our character descriptions. Have a good day, everyone.